Most people think AI is eliminating work, but something more important is happening. Entirely new categories of income are forming, and most professionals aren't seeing them yet. Human value isn't disappearing, it's moving. The real question is, where is your value? There are 5 income categories emerging in the AI economy. Using AI to deliver faster, smarter, or automated outcomes. Examples include workflow automation, internal process optimization, AI reporting systems. AI doesn't replace these roles, it scales them up. Templates, prompt systems, workflow kits, assets that can be reused and scaled. Build it once and use it repeatedly. Organizations don't just need AI tools. They need people who can translate business problems into AI workflows. Leadership, client relationships, decision authority. Trust becomes more valuable as automation increases. AI scales output, humans scale trust. As AI adoption grows, so does the need for validation, governance, risk control. AI doesn't eliminate human value, it relocates it. Smart professionals are no longer protecting roles, they're positioning income. In the next video, we'll show how professionals are combining these income layers into a single strategy. Make sure you click on the icon to subscribe to the channel and drop us a like and a comment if you're enjoying the content.